You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. A lack of capital is the top risk facing the mining industry. That's according to a new report from EY, which highlights tough economic conditions and limited financing for critical metals needed in the energy transition. EY's Theo Yamayogo told the Northern Miner that the sector requires $1 trillion in investment, but concerns are growing due to a lack of direct funding. Environmental stewardship and geopolitics also rank high, with miners facing stricter community standards and resource depletion. EY conducted the survey in June and July, collecting 353 responses. Paladin Energy's planned takeover of Fission Uranium is facing a national security review by the Canadian government. The $1.1 billion deal would make Paladin one of the world's top uranium producers, but concerns have been raised over Chinese ownership stakes in both companies. Paladin says it is reviewing its options, while the British Columbia Supreme Court is also hearing the case. It's unclear if the deal will move forward. Mining giant BHP says global copper consumption is expected to grow by 1 million tons per year until 2035. This rise is linked to increased use of copper in new technologies, doubling the growth rate of the past 15 years. BHP reports that copper demand in 2023 reached 31 million tons, and the growth rate is set to increase to 2.6% annually. By 2050, demand could rise by 70%, driven by copper's role in technologies and global decarbonization efforts. Gold Fields is taking exploration to the next level with cutting-edge space technology at its Salares Norte gold mine in Chile. The South African miner has teamed up with Australia's Fleet Space Technologies to unlock new gold targets using advanced 3D subsurface imaging. Now, this game-changing tech combines satellite data and AI to fast-track discoveries and boost sustainability. Located high in the Andes, Salares Norte faces extreme conditions, but the mine is pushing forward after 13 years of development. Brazilian mining giant Vale is seeking to increase its copper output, according to the company's CEO, Gustavo Pimenta. The newly appointed boss has acknowledged that Vale has lagged behind its competitors in copper production. The company is targeting an annual production of between 320,000 and 355,000 metric tons of copper this year, while leading players, get this, produce over 1 million tons annually. Pimenta also dismissed the possibility of an initial public offering for Vale's base metals unit at this time. And that's where we'll leave it for this bulletin. Bye for now.